Hi, welcome to Stevens Henniger Pre-Algebra. This class is designed to prep you for algebra. That's why it's called Pre-Algebra, right? Algebra is Math 220, and you usually take it, I think, about 6 months into your schoolwork at Stevens Henniger. This class is run through my Foundations Lab, and so we're going to show you how this works. The rest of the class, the discussions are located in Angel. The assignment and tests will be in my Foundations Lab. So you go to your home page, your pre-algebra home page. Actually, you can get it from any of your home pages. You click on my Foundations Lab, and you will see, your username is your Stevens Henniger login, and your password is your Stevens Henniger password. If that doesn't work, then you can try education for your password, and if that doesn't work, then contact your teacher because we can look that up for you. But you'll need to let your teacher know that you're having troubles. Okay, you click on your class. It'll say pre-algebra. You won't have, I think that's the only thing you can do. What you can do when you start, you can come in and run a browser check. The browser check will check things to make sure that you have all the things you need, like the Adobe Flash Player, Adobe Reader. It'll put a check mark by it, and if you don't have it, it'll help you get it. And then what you want to do is you're going to access your homework and tests. That's the only thing you have to do here. You can do lots of things over here that are interesting. You can do study skills, math, where you learn any math topic you want. But for this class, what we want you to do is to come over here to my to-do list. You have to click on this little menu thing. And what you see up here is a little calendar. This is where you're going to get to your stuff. This Pathfinder, Path Builder, you can take those if you really want to, but you don't need to. What you're going to do is scroll over here. This is the Monday. This is the day the class starts. And you have available here a week 2 assignment and a week 2 test. You can click on your week 2 assignment, which we'll just do it. You click on that assignment, and it will take you to a page that looks like this. You're just going to click on question number 1. And it'll pull the assignment up. Now, you can't take the test until you do the assignment. So they were both listed there next to each other, but you can't take the test until you do the assignment. So the first question is determine whether 31 is prime, composite, or neither. 31 is prime. And then you come down here and you say check answer. It tells me nice work. Gives me a little check mark. Now, if I don't quite understand that, I can choose to do a similar exercise, or I can click up here in the circle to move on to the next problem. Determine whether 17 is prime, composite, or neither. That also is prime. I'm going to check my answer, and I'm going to move on. It tells me find all the factors of 36. So in this one, you're going to do 1, 2, 3. You're going to write all the factors of 36. Sometimes you want to work things out on a piece of paper first. However you do it is fine. Then you can check your answer. I didn't get the right answer. So it kind of gave me a little hint. I can also come over here, and if I'm having problems, I can click on one of these. Help me answer this, view an example, video. I can do those things, and then it will actually give me a new problem to work on. It'll tell me to find all the factors of 48 now, and I'll work that out. When I'm ready to move on, then I just click on the next problem. Find all the factors of 18. So if you're done, say I don't want to finish this today. Let me just show you quickly how to enter fractions. Fractions, you just do 2, and you can use the slash bar 5. Okay? Or you can come over here and you can click on this, which gives you a fraction. And the other thing that you'll need for this class is the exponent button, which is this one right here. It says superscript. That would give me a little number up there if I had like 2 squared Like when we do factors, that comes up. So I'm going to save. Actually, I'm going to go back in and clear all. Let's see if it'll clear out my test. Oh, it just clears that problem. Okay. So you're going to finish that. You can work these problems as many times as you want. You can come back in here and work on this until you feel like you're done. Okay? When you're done with that and you're ready to take the test, you can come back to my to-do list. Go back to the to-do list. It takes a minute sometimes. And we're back up here with our calendar. This shows me that I worked some on this. I can work on it again from there. But this is where you're going to find all your assignments. So now I still have the test to do that's right there. For the following week, here are the tests. They're all posted on the Mondays. Okay, so you can access those there. And if you've worked on it, then you can go back and work on it. The test you can only do twice, or you can do each problem twice is how they do it. So, and you don't have any helps on your test. So you want to make sure you get the assignment down. The test is not worth as much as the assignment. But you want to make sure you understand the assignment and then go in and take the test because you only get 2 tries. And the reason we gave you 2 tries was just because we had people that would mess something up and have a 0 on their test when they had tried to take it. So you guys got lucky. All right, the only other thing that we have in here is PowerPoints, which will also be located in your Angel. So these PowerPoints are in the form of a movie. It takes a minute to load. Oh, it says it's downloading. Well, that maybe isn't working yet, but that will be working. And but you can still access those also in your you can access them in under your lessons. The PowerPoints are also there. Those lessons are in the form of a PowerPoint slideshow. When you download it, you'll have to run it as a slideshow or it won't make any sense. If you're just looking at the slides, it's going to be very confusing because everything's animated. So if you have questions, you can contact your teacher, and that's it. Good luck.